So on this problem we're working with a right triangle, and we'll draw a diagram, and we'll label this side A, side B, side C. And on a right triangle, A and B, those are called legs, and then the longest side, the hypotenuse, we labeled that as C. So the relationship of the sides of a right triangle is a squared plus b squared. That's equal to c squared. Right, so let's look at the first sentence. It says the length of one of the legs of a right triangle is 5 meters. It doesn't matter which one you label 5 meters. You can label A or B 5. So draw this over again. And we'll label A 5. And then if you look at the second sentence, it says the other leg is 1 meter shorter than the hypotenuse. So we're going to label this 1 meter shorter than the hypotenuse. So that would be C minus 1. And they want to find the length of the hypotenuse first and then find the area of the triangle. Okay, so we know that the leg squared plus the other leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So what we need to do is we need to solve this equation for C. 5 squared, that's 25, plus, and then you're going to need to multiply this expression, this binomial squared, you need to multiply that out. This is going to come out to be c squared minus 2 times c plus 1. Now if you don't remember how to do this, c minus 1 squared, that's just repeated multiplication. So if you think about that, that's c minus 1 times itself, and you would have to use FOIL. Alright, now let's clean this up a little bit. C squared, if I subtract c squared from both sides, those are going to cancel out. And 25 plus 1 is 26. Right, if I add 2c to both sides, we get 26 is 2c. And then finally I can solve for the hypotenuse if I divide both sides by a 2. So in this case, C, the hypotenuse, is 13 meters. This leg was 5. The hypotenuse is 13. This leg here was the hypotenuse minus 1 meter, so it's 12. Then we have one more thing to do, and that is to find the area of this right triangle. The area, the formula for the area, is 1/2 the base times the height. So in our case, the area is 1/2 the base, 5 meters, times the height, 12 meters. 1/2 times 5 times 12, that's 60 divided by 2, that's 30 square meters. And that's the area.